Hello, everyone. Today, I wanted to go over something I've gone over in the past, which is Sora, the district's ebook library. Um, Here, you can read books on your Chromebook or your phone or your tablet, and you can also listen to audiobooks. The reason I wanted to go over it again, though, is that we've put way more books in it now. There's several thousand books. There's over 500 graphic novels. um, it's just a lot more options for what you can read, and they're very good. Like they're not, none of them are bad books. So to get to Sora, you can find Sora and Clever. It looks like this. It says Sora by Overdrive. If you want to read on your tablets or your phones, you have to download the app, which is just called Sora. So search the app stores for Sora, and then you can browse to our library and whatnot. The first time you log into Sora, it's going to ask you to find your district. It's pretty straightforward and easy to see. In Sora, you will see a navigation bar down at the bottom. Home will take you to this page. Explore will where you search for books. Shelf is where the books you've checked out are going to be. And then Me is where you can change. You can find out stuff about you. Um, your audiobooks. This is like all the stuff you've ever done. It'll keep track of how many books you've read, what you've checked out, etc. If you want to change options for you, you click up here at the hamburger button up here, and you have like if you like dyslexia font, which is easier to read for everybody, basically. If you want high contrast mode, all those things, and based on the way y'all configure y'all's laptops, a lot of y'all like that. Here's where you'll change the language, and then there's more settings here. Now, when you click Explore, it's where you're going to search for books. In Explore, you're going to find collections that have been put together by the libraries of Waco. Like the Tennyson librarian put together this collection for Hispanic Heritage Month to highlight some books that fit the theme. Now, just to give you an idea of how what I'm talking about is like you type in graphic novel, you're going to see all these graphic novels. And if it's available, you just hit borrow and you can read it. Right? Now, to check out a book, you just click on the book. Well, these are audiobooks. Let's do this book right here. All right. So when you click on a book, it will give you a bunch of information about the book, text difficulty, ER or AR level, etc. It'll tell you what it's about. This book's in Spanish, so I'm not going to check it out. All right. Ooh, I really like this series, the Inheritance game. Um, Recommendation, really good. Um, so you hit borrow. Right now, when you hit borrow, it's going to take you straight to the reading page, but you can come back to it later in the shelves page. Now, if you do not change the text options when you first log in, this is what your books are going to look like. A lot of people don't like reading on screens because they say it hurts their eyes, and it does because it's just a big white page with all this light blaring in your eyes. So I recommend anyone who's reading on a screen to change the options. Now, to bring up the options, you just click in the middle of the page. To change the text, you click on the A. You can make the pages, the text bigger. You can change the way it looks. I prefer dark. That's just me. But it's definitely a lot easier to read with a black background. In fact, I read almost everything on my phone. To navigate the book, all you have to do is you can either grab the page and pull to swipe, or you can just click on the edges. Clicking on the edges turns the pages. That's it. Now, again, there's no overdues. The books will automatically be returned in 2 weeks. Currently, there's a glitch about returning the books, but I'm getting that fixed. So if you're finished the book or you decide you don't want to read it, you can return it. And when it's fixed, the way you do that is you go into your shelf. See, these are the books I've checked out. And you click on options and you click return and you hit return. And right now it's not working and I don't know why. So I'm getting it fixed. But that's all you do. Again, I really recommend y'all explore this. There's just a ton of really good stuff in here now. I personally am going to spend $2,000 for more manga. And yes, there is manga in here. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoy it. It's full of really neat stuff. Goodbye.